Alright guys, today got a couple Lorcana booster packs, edition 2, Rise of the Floodborn. Let's go. Haven't opened up some Lorcana in a few days now. So let's see what we can do here. Got a couple booster packs. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. Still haven't hit an enchanted, and I would like to. I don't think I've even hit a legendary. Let's see. Perhaps that will change today, right before our eyes. Struggling with this pack here. That was not very good. Okay. Fidget. We got Flynn Rider. Jasmine. Happy. Tiana. The Prince. Daisy Duck. The Launch. We got a rare Tuk Tuk. A good friend is always ready to roll. That's for sure. Is this a legendary Scar? That's awesome. That's so funny. I literally just said I haven't hit a legendary, and here we go. Scar, Vicious Cheater, number 125. Pretty sweet. And Basu. Awesome. Legendary Scar. One of my better pulls there. The best? I'm not sure actually. I need to get more into the analytics of Lorcana. Let's see. Is there enchanted in here? Could there be an enchanted in this pack? I certainly hope so. Wow, struggling today with these packs. I'm rusty on the Lorcana. Alright. The Reveal. Merlin. Felicia. Queen of Hearts. Duke Weaselton. Another Happy. Another Tiana. Fairy Godmother. Zero to Hero. The Most Diabolical Scheme. Got a rare Perplexing Signposts. Super rare Grand Pavi. I think I have one of these already actually. And a Verona foil. Alright, so those are the two packs there. I think my favorite card gonna have to be this Scar here. First legendary. Pretty stoked about it. Really nice card. Great reds and oranges. Let's go.